So to start our koi fish painting, what we're going to do is we're going to give the koi fish a habitat or some water to actually live in. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking some water that I have and I'm taking a brush, running it around on the blue paint here, and I'm putting that in the water to turn it blue. I might even add a little green, sort of give it a blue-green, sea green kind of color. And what we're doing is we're going to do that trick that I showed you in our little tree painting that we did a couple of lessons ago, where you actually blow the paint. That's why you might see there's a straw nearby here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to use the straw as a dual purpose tool. So what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to use it kind of like a little dropper. So I'm going to tilt my glass. When I put my finger over the end, it'll create a vacuum that'll pick up the paint water out of there. So you see how I have some in the straw? So I'm going to deposit that on the paper, but then I want to blow that around, creating the effect of water and waves. So it still takes on that tree-like quality, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a lot of this overlapping. Plus you'll notice that I've made it a lot lighter than that green or that dark green that I had used for the tree a couple of lessons ago. I might even take the paper, if I tilt it, then if I have lots of extra water, and it's being stubborn, but I can use the straw too. But I can direct that and get it to move around just by tilting the paper some. So I'm going to turn this and I'm going to get water going in every direction. So you guys are going to continue this until you think you have enough of this in your background.